Does Newton support BEP20? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's been on a lot of people's minds lately. Does Newton support BEP20? Before I get into the details, let me give you a quick overview of what BEP20 is. BEP20 is a technical standard for creating tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. It's a very popular standard, and there are thousands of different BEP20 tokens in existence. So, does Newton support BEP20? The answer is yes. Newton does support BEP20 tokens. This means that you can buy, sell, and trade BEP20 tokens on the Newton platform. Benefits of using Newton to trade BEP20 tokens. There are a number of benefits to using Newton to trade BEP20 tokens. Here are a few of the most important. Security. Newton is a very secure platform. Your assets are protected by a number of security measures, including two-factor authentication and cold storage. Ease of use. Newton is very easy to use. The platform is intuitive and user-friendly, even for beginners. Low fees. Newton offers low fees for trading BEP20 tokens. This means that you can keep more of your profits. Large selection of tokens. Newton offers a large selection of BEP20 tokens. This means that you're likely to find the token you're looking for. How to buy, sell, and trade BEP20 tokens on Newton. Now that you know that Newton supports BEP20 tokens, let's take a look at how you can buy, sell, and trade them. Create an account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. This is a simple process that only takes a few minutes. Fund your account. Once you have an account, you'll need to fund it with some money. You can do this by linking your bank account or credit card. Find the token you want to trade. Once you have funded your account, you can find the token you want to trade. There are two ways to do this. Search for the token by name. You can simply type the name of the token into the search bar. Browse the list of tokens. You can browse the list of tokens that are available on Newton. Place an order. Once you've found the token you want to trade, you can place an order. You'll need to specify the amount of token you want to buy or sell, as well as the price you're willing to pay or receive. Confirm your order. Once you've placed an order, you'll need to confirm it. This will ensure that you're sure you want to proceed with the trade. Wait for your order to be filled. Once your order has been confirmed, it will be placed on the order book. If there is a buyer or seller who is willing to trade at your price, your order will be filled. Withdraw your funds. Once your order has been filled, you can withdraw your funds from your Newton account. Newton is a great platform for buying, selling, and trading BEP20 tokens. It is secure, easy to use, and offers low fees. If you're looking for a reliable platform to trade BEP20 tokens, I highly recommend Newton. Do your research. Before you buy any BEP20 token, it's important to do your research. Make sure you understand the project and the team behind it. Be careful. Investing in cryptocurrencies is risky. You could lose all of your money. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Only invest money that you can afford to lose. I hope this blog post has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.